What's up, everybody? My name is Derek. I am a mobile graphics and PPF installer, paint protection film. I make videos showing you my process, behind the scenes look. So if that's something you're interested in, consider subscribing. And yeah, let's just jump into this video and get started. Thanks. Alright, I got the hood on. I couldn't really show that because I was running out of shade. As you can see, it was already in the sun when I put it on. Like, papers are flying everywhere. I'm in the bushes. But yeah, that's the mobile installer life. Just out here in a I don't know, industrial complex. But yeah, I'll get the job done anywhere. I don't care. These kits are like the best fitting kits out there as far as aftermarket goes. They're made by a company called Eagle Enterprises. They only sell to installers and like wrap shops and stuff, so you can't buy it, you know, from if you're just a general public. But there are other companies online that sell them, but they don't, obviously they don't use the name Eagle. But yeah, you can buy these kits online, and I'll put like a link in the description, or I'm not sure how I'm gonna do it yet, because you could buy them from me, but I don't know if I want to go through that hassle of selling stripes and also installing full-time and parenting and husbanding, and I got too much on my plate already. So anyways, check it out. As you can see, you don't need to trim anything. It just goes right to the edge, you know, right there. And same over here. You don't have to trim anything. I'm gonna put that down. So that's my favorite part of these kits. The little pieces come packaged separately per side. So this is all passenger side. This would be all driver side. Makes organizing really good and easy. So that's why I like this kit. Anyways, look at this. It's kind of cool. I got the parts all pre-cut. So right there, you see that. are, it's actually kind of soft. But yeah, I got this done. Just gotta get that done. Look at this, a bunch of marks on it. But you know, whatever. It's not a brand new car, so yeah, just got to do this piece, front bumper, and then I'm also throwing a red accent stripe on the whole thing, and that'll look really cool. So stay tuned. We are done. Install took about 2 hours. Yeah, so not very long. And as you saw with like the Eagle kit, everything goes on really good. The way they make it, you don't have to trim anything, you know. Except I had to trim the deck lid part just because he had an aftermarket spoiler. Like with the American Muscle kit, they say it's specific to your car, but they just send you a long strip of dual stripes, and you got to cut everything to fit. Antennas, spoilers, scoops, whatever, you know. And this takes a little bit longer to install, and plus you get a lot of tunneling because tunneling is like when the top mask wrinkles. I'll show you a picture so you can see it. And yeah, it's just not an easy install per se. It's probably cheaper, but you know, you pay what you get. You get what you pay for. Yeah. So, anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. I'll get to you. And if you have any ideas for future videos or want to see something, let me know too down in the comments. Go ahead and subscribe if you're not already. I would greatly appreciate that. And now I'm going to go get lunch and end this video. Thanks.